guys! Welcome back to Reyes Kitchen. Pagkatapos ko kayong takamin sa braso de Mercedes at busugin sa ating crispy pata kare-kare, today ipapakita ko naman sa inyo kung paano ko ginagawa ang isa sa pinaka-famous din na dessert sa Pilipinas. At ito ay ang sapin-sapin. So the ingredients that we need today are glutinous rice flour, coconut milk, sugar, vanilla extract, ube extract, grated purple yam or grated ube, condensed milk. Gagamit din tayo ng konting food coloring para mas appetizing yung kalalabasan ng ating sapin-sapin. And gagamit din tayo ng jackfruit or langka. And yung langka, nilagay ko siya sa food processor para ma-puree siya. And then for our topping, gagawa tayo ng latik and sasamahan din natin siya ng dessicated coconut. So mamaya ito toast natin yung dessicated coconut para maisama natin siya dun sa latik at mas masarap ang magiging topping natin. So umpisahan na natin. So, our first step is pagsasama-samahin natin ang ating mga ingredients. So, we have our rice flour here. Ilalagay na natin yung ating coconut milk. So, yung mga measurements nga pala nito, ilalagay ko lahat sa description box. So, ayan. And then, yung ating sugar. Hahaluin lang natin siya. So, once na medyo nahalo nyo na yung mga ingredients natin, maglalagay na tayo ng ating vanilla extract. And then, ihahalo natin. So, after ko tong mahalo, kailangan nating strain yung ating mixture para to make sure na walang buo-buo na sasama sa ating mixture. So guys, dalawang beses natin siyang i-strain para just to make sure na talagang smooth yung magiging mixture natin. So after natin ma-strain ng pangalawang beses, maglalagay na tayo ng ating condensed milk. And half a can lang yung ating gagamitin. Ihalo lang uli natin. And then, i-strain natin siya uli for the last time. So, after natin ma-strain for the third time yung ating mixture, i-divide na natin siya into 3 different bowls. Kasi, maglalagay tayo ng isa for ube, 1 for langka, and 1 for just the plain vanilla. So, yan guys, ready na yung ating mixture. Na-divide ko na siya into 3 different bowls. So, yung isang bowl natin, medyo dinagdagan ko siya ng mixture. Kasi, yung mixture na to is plain vanilla lang. So, we'll set this one aside. Wala na tayong idadagdag dyan. Yung ating second bowl, dadagdagan natin siya ng langka and a little bit of food coloring para mas maganda yung color niya. And the third one, dadagdagan natin siya ng grated ube at ng ube extract para mas maganda, mas mapusyaw ang color na kalalabasan ng ating sapin-sapin. So guys, ito na yung ating langka na puree natin. Idadagdag natin yung ating coconut mixture and then ipopuree ko siya ulit para talagang mahalo yung ating mixture. So here is our langka mixture. Medyo pale yellow pa yung color niya, kaya dadagdagan natin siya ng food coloring. So, yan guys, okay na yung color ng ating langka. Ganito yung gusto kong color na ma-achieve. We'll set this aside and then we'll do our ube. So, here is the coconut mixture na gagamitin naman natin for our ube layer. So, ilalagay lang natin yung ating grated purple yam or grated ube. Halo lang natin siya. So, yan, nakikita nyo na yung color. Purple color. Pero, para mas maging bright siya and mas lalong nakakatakam, dadagdagan natin siya ng ube flavoring, of course, for flavor and for richness in color. So guys, ito na yung ating ube mixture. Ayan. Ganda na ng color niya. So we are ready to steam. So yan guys, since ready na yung ating mixture, na-ready ko na rin yung ating steamer. So nagpakulo lang ako ng tubig and gagamit pala ako ng bamboo steamer and aluminum tray. So ang una nating gagawin, yung una nating layer is yung ube kasi mamaya ibabaliktad natin siya. So ilalagay lang natin yung ating ube mixture. So yan guys, transfer na natin yung ating unang layer which is the ube mixture. And then, ita-timer natin siya for about 12 to 15 minutes hanggang mabuo yung ating first layer. So, yan guys. After 13 minutes, nabuo na yung ating first layer. So, ilalagay na natin yung ating second layer which is the langka. Ayan. And then, we'll wait again for 13 to 15 minutes. Okay guys, after 15 minutes, ayan, matigas na yung ating second layer. And then finally, ilalagay na natin yung ating third layer. So yan, konting tiis pa, another 15 minutes, and ready na ang ating sapin-sapin. So, yan na guys. After 15 more minutes, ready na ang ating sapin-sapin. So, ang gagawin lang natin, i-rest natin siya at ipe-plate na natin siya after. Guys, ready na ang ating sapin-sapin. Ayan na siya. Ang bango. So coconutty. It's tea time. Kayo ba guys? Paano nyo ini-enjoy ang inyong sapin-sapin? I want it with a little bit more of latik. Yung ginawa natin. Spread lang natin siya. And magdadagdag ako ng toasted coconut sa taas. Just like that. And tikman na natin. Melts in your mouth. Lasang-lasa ang ube at ang langka. Perfect pang merienda. Sana matry nyo din siya at home very soon. I want to take this opportunity to invite all of you guys on my first ever live cooking stream happening on September 6, 10 p.m. to 12 a.m. Philippine time. Hope to see you guys there! And that's it for our video today guys. Sana nagustuhan ninyo ang ating sapin-sapin recipe for today. And as always, please hit like and subscribe to my channel for more cooking, baking, panghimagas videos. See you guys again! Bye!